Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to book a Databricks exam on Webassessor. So guys, for book a exam on the Webassessor, so guys, it is very easy. First of all, setting up your Webassessor account. So guys, navigate to the Webassessor website for the Databricks and create a new account on a login page. Fill in all the required personal and the contact information and create a secure username and the password. Then guys, verify your email address if prompted. After that, finding your database bricks exam. So log in into your newly create Webassessor account. From the dashboard, click the option of register for exam. Use the search bar or the filter to find the Databricks exam. Select the specified Databricks certificate and exam you wish to take and review the exam detail, pricing and the prerequisites carefully. Okay. Then guys, schedule your exam sessions. So guys, choose between on-site protected exam or the on-site protected exam. Online protected exam. So guys, select your preferred testing location for acknowledged online requirement. Pick a suitable date and the time for the available slot and ensure the time zone is correct for your location. Then click the option of select to add the exam to your cart. After that, finalizing your registration and the payment. So guys, review your selected exam and the appointment details. Enter any promotional codes or voucher you may have. Provide your payment informations like credit card or other methods and confirming your purchase and accept the cancellation policy from a confirmation email with your exam detail. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.